Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Alpaca Finance. In today's video, we will take a look at this big down channel that Alpaca has formed, and we will also take a look at the immediate short-term, very important support and resistance levels as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description out here. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me share my recent analysis with you that I shared for my members at the Patreon. That was in fact a trade setup that I shared for my members on 1st of March, almost 4 days ago, when Alpaca completed another Fibonacci based harmonic bullish reversal Gartley move on the 4-hourly time frame chart. And you can see when I shared this pattern, at that time it was moving at the very end of the buying zone. By the way, this chart was with the Bitcoin pair, and our buying zone was from 953 and goes to 0.0000860 Bitcoins. And our sell targets were from 1084 and goes to 1222. Now, if I play the chart, you can see at that time when I shared, it was moving at 889 Bitcoins, and now it has rallied up to 1178 Bitcoins. That was very close to the end of the sell zone, and that was more than 32% pump. And on the 4-hourly time frame chart, 32% profit is quite a big profit. Now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here live daily time frame, it has formed a very long-term down channel. The formation of the channel was started here on 12th of August, and so far it is not able to break this channel out. Right now we are again at the resistance of this channel. Now, for example, if the price line breaks out this channel, the final target can be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $1.50. Right now the price is 39.38 cents. And if we watch on the 4-hourly time frame chart, then here we have two major support and resistance level. The support is here at 37.3 cents. We can see that previously several times it has been working as a nice support and resistance, like here on 25th of January to here on 2nd of Feb. It has been working as a resistance, and then it turned into the support from 5th of Feb to here on 14th of Feb, and here it broke it down. Then it again turned into the resistance, and it was rejected here again, and after breaking out, it is working again as a nice support. And recently we have taken the bounce from the support, and we are again rejected by this resistance of 44.99, approximately 45 cents. We have very strong resistance because we have several touch points here. In the most recent history, it has been working as a nice support and resistance. Right now it has turned into the resistance. Therefore, in order to make any big move, first we need to break out this 45 cents resistance as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.